beautiful day here at SSR Performance. Just drove in right now. It's this beautiful Limerock Park Orange E90 M3. Cool thing about this is it's very rare. There was only 200 made. Now guess what? This one is number 1 of 200. Car only has 15,000 miles. I mean, this thing is baby. And of course, on top of that, the customer wants to make sure it stays strong. So guess what? We're gonna go ahead and throw in some BE bearings, do the bearing service on this car, and make sure it keeps going. So guys, check out the bearings.
Nice G-Wagon out here.
Isaiah, you ain't got the face for YouTube, bro.
So Chris be fucking with me, right? Well, take his Pringles. When he comes back, he won't see his dick sucking.
We're at the no mames, Rick. You motherfuckers are gay, dog. Wait, Chris. Is that what Allstate's on? You fucking gay, dog. Where's the camera? You the fucking camera with someone.
Hey, what's Allstate saying?
Nigga, I exit that shit, dog.
I said what?
Chris, get off that gate.
What you looking at, bro, on the clock? Hey, why is it stuck, bro?
How do you like it?
Fucking sick. This is sexy as fuck. This shit is clean, bro. Alright, so beautiful Supra that came in with the beautiful wrap on there. We got the downpipes in. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to bench unlock the car. So what's gonna do? He's gonna take the car, as you can tell. We're gonna get the bench unlock. Follow me. When he brings it back for the turbos. So we're gonna do a full E85 tune, the turbo, and also get the bench unlock done, and also looking for port injection. So other than that, he's gonna go ahead and drive off with the downpipe. Check it out.